Maheshwari and you are watching Rhythm. The 2025 to 26 budget has arrived and it brings with it a big relief for India's middle class. After years of rising tax burdens and stagnant exemptions, the government has stepped in with a historic tax reform that will directly impact the urban, salaried and tax-paying citizens. With incomes up to 12 lakh rupees now completely tax-free and reduced tax rate up to 24 lakh rupees, the Modi government has ensured that hardworking Indians take home more of their earnings. But the bigger question remains, how will this transform India's economic landscape? Let's break it down. The government has not just offered a relief but addressed long-standing structural issues. Previously, the tax exemption threshold was stuck at a mere 2.5 lakh rupees under the old scheme and 3 lakh rupees under the new scheme. Moreover, the 30% tax rate applied at just 10 lakh rupees under the old system and 15 lakh rupees in the new one. This created immense financial pressure on the middle class, particularly those earning between 8 lakh rupees to 24 lakh rupees. Now, with the exemption threshold increased to 4 lakh rupees and the highest tax slab kicking in only at 24 lakh rupees, the finance minister has given salaried individuals and professionals a much needed breather. The numbers speak for themselves. The finance minister's announcement effectively reduces the tax burden by 10,000 rupees to 1.1 lakh rupees per year for individuals earning between 8 lakh rupees and 24 lakh rupees. Furthermore, for those earning under 12 lakh rupees, the full rebate means they will save 20,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees annually. This ensures that over 50 lakh taxpayers receive substantial benefits, making their disposable incomes healthier and their purchasing power stronger. But that's not all. The government has also laid the groundwork for future financial security. The 8th Central Pay Commission was announced on January 16, signaling potential salary hikes for government employees. Additionally, the Unified Pension Scheme, notified on January 25, guarantees retirees 50% of their last drawn salary as pension along with dearness allowance. This means long-term stability for millions of government workers and pensioners. Some critics argue that these benefits may not significantly boost overall consumptions. However, the government's data-driven approach tells a different story. The projected revenue from personal income tax in 2025 to 26 is 14.38 lakh crore rupees, a 21.15% increase from the previous year. This indicates that despite tax reliefs, India's growing economy will generate higher tax revenues. Simply put, economic growth and higher incomes will ensure that government revenues remain strong while taxpayers enjoy greater financial freedom. So what's the bigger picture? With an estimated private final consumption expenditure of 200.3 lakh crore rupees in 2024 to 25, even a modest increase in disposable income can create ripple effects across sectors like housing, automobiles, and consumer goods. The increased spending power of the middle class will boost demand, encourage investment, and contribute to sustained economic growth. The message from this budget is clear. India's middle class is no longer neglected. This is not just a tax cut, it is a vision for a stronger, financially secure and empowered middle income group. As the economy expands and earnings grow, expect these reforms to create a multiplier effect, driving India's growth story forward. Jai Hind.